history that has not been told.
This is real. Since we met, I could feel a real connection. Like the gravitational pull within. I know the difference. Been around for a minute. But I also respect and understand the order of the universe and all the other elements around me in my life. Behind every successful man is a successful woman. There's a woman can make what we call a strong man. And if the king is the head, and the queen is definitely the neck. Can you imagine fighting a battle, a war, going to war without a neck?